Today I'm going to show you top 15 Chrome extensions which you may want to use to increase your productivity while browsing with Google Chrome and get faster results. And for those who don't know what Chrome extension is, well, don't worry. I'll give you a short brief about what Chrome extension is and what is the benefit of using extensions and also how to install them. So let's get started. So Chrome extension is, you can say, a tool or piece of software which will be pinned on your browser and which enables you to use it anytime while your browser is open. There are lots of benefits of using extensions, but among all, it allows you to stay organized and it also gives you fast results. And last but not least, it optimizes your productivity and allows you a better browsing experience. And to install any kind of extensions, you can click on apps on your browser, then click on Web Store, or you can simply search Web Store on your browser and then click on the first link. After you open Web Store, on the left side panel, search the name of your extension you want to install. Suppose if I want to add a Gmail extension to my browser, I just need to type Gmail on the search bar. And from here, I just need to click the Add to Chrome button. Then it will automatically add the Gmail extension to my browser. After that, whenever I will get any kind of mail from Gmail, I will get a notification pop up to my screen. You can also customize the extension. For that, click on the extension you want to customize, then you will get lots of options for customizations. So that's all you need to install any kind of extension from Web Store. Let's talk about the top Chrome extensions you can use right now to boost your performance. The first extension is, I think everyone feels the need of this extension, at least once in a lifetime for sure. I'm talking about Unseen for Facebook. If someone leaves us a text at Facebook, sometimes we don't want to see in the text but we want to read the text. Then you can use this extension. It allows you to block the seen feature. Also, it allows you to block the delivery receipts as well as the typing indicator. By the way, you can use any one or two of this feature, and also if you want, then you can use all of them. It's up to you. I don't know any mobile apps gives the same feature right now, but if you know about any apps like this, please let me know in the comment. The second one is called YouTube right click. It allows you to search anything on YouTube directly from a text selection. I think you get the idea from this picture here. All you have to do is select some text and then right click, then from the drop down option, select search YouTube for Chrome. Then it will automatically take you to the YouTube search engine with that specific search result. Number 3. Actually, I'm going to show you two extensions which are pretty much similar, but one has limited use and another one has some extra features. It's up to you which one you want to install, or use both of them if you want. So the first one is Google Dictionary, where you can easily find the meaning of any word on the web just by selecting the word and then double click. It will show the meaning something like this. And another one is Google Translate. I think we all know what Google Translate is. But the difference between Google Dictionary and Google Translate is, on Google Translate you can translate sentences which Google Dictionary can't. Now number 4. This is also a very popular Chrome extension, which is Grammarly. I think a lot of you guys already heard about it. If any of you guys don't know, then don't worry, I'm here for you. Grammarly works mostly on all platforms on the web. When you write something on the web, it will automatically fix your spelling and grammar. Also, it will give you better options to make your sentences more concise and presentable. It also allows you to improve your word choices, as well as you can get more positive vibe from whatever you are writing. The next one is Push Bullets. This is an awesome extension which I think a lot of you guys would feel the same. It is basically allows you to share files, links, pictures, videos and a lot of other stuffs between your devices. Also, you can receive text, notifications and lot more. Make sure to check this out. The links will be in the description. If you often find yourself open multiple YouTube tabs together and every time you have to mute all the videos one by one, then this extension is for you. Smart Mute allows you to listen to audio one tab at a time, and you can take back control of your audio experience before the video ends. It means it will only play the audio of the tab you are in right now. The other tab will automatically get muted. The next one is One Tab. OneTab is a very helpful extension when it comes to organize your search. I have already talked about it in my earlier video, but if you haven't seen it yet, no problem. Just watch this clip from my earlier video. Most of the time when we want to learn about something on the web or to do research, we have to search a lot of websites, read articles and so on. While searching on the web, if we look on the tab list, we will often find the tab list like this. Sometimes I forgot which tab is which, and also my PC gets too slow for all those tabs. If you face the same problem, you may want to use the OneTab Chrome extension. Whenever you find yourself with too many tabs, you can click on the OneTab Chrome extension icon to convert all your tabs into a list. You can also give a name to that list of your tabs. Then whenever you will need those tabs, you can just click on the tabs again. You can also restore them all at once or individually. Do whatever you like. And the deal breaker is it will save up to 95% of your memory because you will have reduced the number of tabs open in Chrome. Number 8 is Momentum. This extension allows you to open new tab page that gives you a moment of calm and inspires you to be more productive. It also gives you daily photo and quote and set a daily focus and track your to-dos. Make sure to check this out. The next one is Wikiwand. This is basically for students and others who use Wikipedia a lot. We all know the outlook of Wikipedia is pretty boring, and also we all struggle to get the exact information from Wikipedia. Well, Wikiwand that optimizes Wikipedia's amazing content for our quicker and significantly improved reading experience. The extension simply replaces each Wikipedia link with a link to the same article on Wikiwand, which gives you new clean layout for optimal readability, different types of font options, quick preview when hovering over links, color, font and layout personalization, and dozens of other improvements. Make sure to check this out. Number 10 is Dark Reader. Dark Reader is simply allows you to browse in dark mode in all web pages. Simple as that. Just click on the extension, you will get option to on and off. When you click on, it will automatically convert all your web pages into dark mode. If you click on the extension, you can also customize the brightness and contrast from the drop-down list. The next one is Noisli. This extension is a little bit different. It plays different types of natural sounds in your background, which helps you to concentrate and focus on your work. It also gives you different options of sound effects. For example, if you are working onto something and want to increase your productivity, you can choose productivity. It also gives you other options as well as such as random sound effects or relaxation. You can also customize your sound from here. Number 12 is Floating for YouTube. This extension helps you to watch YouTube videos in any platform you want. You won't need your browser to keep open while watching a video on YouTube. This means if you are working on something on your desktop, you can also watch YouTube video while doing your work. This will apply both working on your browser and on your desktop. We usually browse a lot of websites, and while browsing, sometimes there is a big chance that our PC got infected through different types of attack. To ensure your security, you can use HTTPS Everywhere. HTTPS Everywhere is an extension which automatically switches thousands of sites from insecure HTTP to secure HTTPS. It will protect you against many forms of surveillance and account hijacking and some forms of censorship. So I highly recommend you guys to use this extension to protect your PC from different types of security issues. On number 14 is Awsome Screenshot. You already got the idea what it does, but still I want to show you some advanced feature you can do with this extension. If you click on the extension button, you can see it will allow you to both recording your screen and also take screenshots. You can also record with your microphone for your desktop or the tab you are in, and also from your camera. You can also save the video on your hard drive or cloud store. On the free version, it allows you to record up to 5 minutes and 720p resolution. And if you want to take a screenshot, you can take the visible part of the screen or full page, or you can also drag a certain area you want to capture. The last one of our top extension list is Extincity. If you have a lot of extensions installed on your Chrome, sometimes you probably want to manage them. So the best option is to use Extincity. Extincity is the extension for Chrome which allows you to enable or disable any extension whenever you want, so that you can have a clean look browser and also have the control on your extensions. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you by giving you what you want. If you have any suggestions for any of my video or any request, you can comment down below. Also, you can mail me or leave me a text through Facebook. You can check out other social links in the description box.